Hello, this is another IT Under 3. This one's for Gmail Basics from the Tech Department. We're going to be starting off with explaining how some of the tabs on the side work. So one of the biggest ones is drafts, because you can start an email, but if you're not sure how to end it, you can click the X, and if there's something in it, you will see that there are drafts that are saved in the draft folder, and then you can open it back up and continue to write your email. Moving on, there are other tabs like Star, Important, Sent, and the Sent tab just shows what you have sent as opposed to what you receive. And then you can move on to the Trash, where if you delete something, you can recover it, or you can empty all of it. Then, typically, if you don't empty it immediately, it will be deleted in 30 days. So moving on, we're going to show you how to personalize your email by clicking the little settings button up top. The quick settings can help really make your Gmail feel more comfortable for you. Like one of the density settings is comfortable and spaces things out. And then you can do compact, which helps you see more on a page. Sometimes I find it overwhelming, so I tend to keep it uncomfortable. And then moving on, we have a couple of themes that we can work through. This is the default theme, or you can change it back to one of these pictures and you can save it that way. And themes are just pictures. But moving on, we have inbox type, and you can sort them by what is important to you first. So if the important emails are important to you first, then it'll sort them that way. So moving on, there is a way that we can completely change the way we view our inbox. We can change it to split view or right of view, which is what I'm doing right now. And you can see your email on the right, but your inbox on the left. And I think this is a great way to view your emails. And then moving on, we have some more advanced settings, which I think is more helpful for teachers. You could always change your language in the box up there. You have a maximum page size, which just shows you how many emails that you can see per page. And then you have the undo send grace period, which I always keep it at 30, which is the maximum time where you can undo a sent email. And then you have the default reply behavior, which I believe should be left on reply instead of reply all. And then you have the desktop notification option. So for new emails, I do have my notifications on, and it'll send them to me on my desktop. However, if notifications are distracting, you could always turn them off, and you can change the sound for how they are supposed to alert you. But aside from that, these are the basics of Gmail, and I highly suggest that you take some time to personalize your Gmail because it is a very important tool. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Mentor IT department and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.